this video, we will learn how to conduct a basic search for books using the WorldCat search box. Conducting your initial search. To begin with, go to the library's homepage located at www.lccc.edu/library. Here, you'll notice the WorldCat search box. Multiple tabs allow you to narrow your search to books, articles, and videos. You may also search across these categories by using the Everything tab. For our purposes today, let's click on the Books and eBooks tab to limit our search to books. The search box is where we will enter in our keywords, and which keywords you use will depend on your research topic. Let's say we are looking for information about ways students can manage stress. That topic can be broken down into the keywords stress management and students. Once our keywords are entered, click on the search button to see the initial search results. We can see that this search retrieved 233 results. But please note that this number may change as materials are added and edited from the collections. Applying filters. Use the filters located on the left side of the page to expand or narrow the results. Important filters to be aware of include Held By. This filter refers to who holds the material. The default is set to Rothrock Library, which means that the item is held locally with availability noted. For example, Stress Management, a comprehensive handbook of techniques and strategies, is owned by the Rothrock Library and is available for checkout. But if we select libraries worldwide, we can also see items that are not owned by the Rothrock Library, but that can be requested through interlibrary loan. For example, Stress Management and Prevention, Applications to Everyday Life, is not held by the Rothrock Library, but can be requested by clicking the title hyperlink, selecting Request from another library, and filling out and submitting the request form. To return back to the results page, click on the Browser tab and then click on the Back to Search Results link. Material type. This filter allows you to select the format of the book. An ebook is read online, while a print book must be physically accessed. Publication year. This filter allows you to select a particular publication range or to specify your own date range. Limit to. This filter allows you to restrict your results further, including limiting to either fiction titles, which are made-up stories, or nonfiction titles, which tell you information and facts about a topic. Author. This filter is helpful if you only want to read a book written by a certain author. Subject. This filter allows you to narrow your results according to a particular discipline. This is helpful if you only want to see books that address your topic from a particular perspective. Database. This filter allows you to select worldcat.org, which will show you all the books pertaining to your topic. We don't recommend you use this option, as it will retrieve a large number of search results. For example, this search retrieved over 5,000 titles, way too many to search through. Language. This filter allows you to limit books to those published in a particular language or languages. Item records. An item record provides general information about a book, including its item type, location, and bibliographic information. To learn more about how to read an item record, we will limit our results to print books in the Rothrock Library by selecting Rothrock Library under the Held By filter and Print Book under the Material filter. Your results will default to Best Match, but you can also select another display if you prefer by clicking on the drop-down menu. Notice that each record contains a variety of useful information. This includes title, author, material format, place of publication, name of publisher, and publication date, also known as copyright date. There is also a summary that is useful in deciding whether this material may be of use in your research. If the item is of interest, you can cite it. This button allows you to select a citation style. For example, you can select APA or MLA depending upon your assignment requirements. Share it. This button allows you to send a link to the book's record through email, and save it. This button allows you to favorite items during a research session. But please note that these saved items only last with the session, unless you are logged into your account and create a list. We can also see an item's full record by clicking on its title, which appears as a blue hyperlink. The full record has a lot of useful information. From this page, you can place a hold on an item or request it, look at the book's table of contents, which can be helpful in deciding whether the book is appropriate to use in your research. See the book's subject headings, which can help create additional keywords to use while researching, and see its shelving location, call number, and status. For ebooks, the process is similar. So let's see what that looks like by returning to our results page by clicking the Back to Search Results link. And now we'll change the material type from print book to ebook by updating its filter. Notice that with the exception you can read the ebook digitally, if it's available, by clicking on the View ebook button, the record looks similar to that of a print book. This concludes our look at how to search WorldCat for books. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the library at 610-799-1150. Thanks for watching.